Hello guys. Now, niko na swali. How many of you guys believe in this Singapore narrative? Think about it for a second. Now, Kasongo amepima, ameangalia, akaona the bottom up narrative ama agenda yenye alikuwa nayo, it can't work this time around. Hustlers versus Dynasty cannot work as well because he is a dynasty right now, so he will not bring that narrative again. So ameangalia akaona, jamaa, acha nikuje na narrative ya Singapore, that I can make Kenya become a developed nation like Singapore, which moved from to move Kenya from a third world country to a first world country. So guys, tukue chonjo. Remember, this is a campaign strategy for 2027. Think about it, guys. Think about it. Remember, guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business. Thank you.